Hello, everyone. How are you? First of all, thank you very much for being here in this video about Vision Premium. If you want to know what this supplement is for, stay tuned until the end because I will provide a brief analysis explaining everything you need to know. The goal is to ensure that you have no regrets or feel like you're wasting money. I want you to have a clear mind before making a purchase. Before we proceed, I emphasize a crucial point. Be cautious when buying and avoid unofficial platforms. I strongly recommend purchasing Vision Premium exclusively on the official website, the link to which is in the description of this video. Now, let's talk about Vision Premium. This supplement was developed to take care of eye health using natural ingredients. Vision Premium works differently. It provides comprehensive support to the eyes, reducing eye fatigue and protecting against free radical damage. According to the manufacturers of Vision Premium, this supplement is recommended for those seeking to enhance visual acuity, overall eye support, and a more comfortable experience in front of screens. The formula consists of all-natural and carefully selected ingredients. The creators of Vision Premium cite studies, and the formula was developed by professionals with extensive experience in medical research, ensuring safety and effectiveness. It is important to note that everyone who started using Vision Premium provided positive feedback, with no negative aspects reported. However, your commitment is necessary. When starting this treatment, make sure to use Vision Premium every day so that your eyes adapt quickly and start showing results. That's what I wanted to share with you. For more information about Vision Premium, visit the official website, the link to which is in the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later.